Cues on. Provider. Given a sample. It's a wireless station for your Apple devices. Check online for further details if it's for Droid or not. USB-C charging cable, compliance. We have one here that we're plugging into the back of the unit. Over here, simply plugs in. And on the back of the unit, it has a speaker area. Little kickstand, magnetic. For the smartwatch holding area, a indentation that you lift up, that your smartwatch goes on, right here. You could press it down to the next level, or lay it down flat. We're going to leave it at the lower level. On top is two magnetic clips that puts on the dome light. And on top, short press to turn on, warm, medium, cool, off, recycles to the kelvins. Long pressing, stepless from 100 to 10%, and again 10% through 100 of your light, a dome light. It simply goes on one particular way with the gold facing towards the out. On. Short press is warm, medium, cool. Long press anywhere lowers the light. We have a clock that needs to be set up and an alarm. You have your buttons black on black. They are the alarm clock, regular clock, dimming down the light, turning on and off the alarm, positive and negative. We have a case on our phone. We simply put the phone on and we're charging. We have the AirPods, lay on, charging. And of course our smartwatch, which is third party, Apple would charge. To set up the alarm, it's a long press. It is 9:44. Press again, and we'll go for 9:48. And press again with the alarm. To turn off the alarm, short press, alarm is off and on. To set the time up, long press and hit the clock, and we set up for 9:45. Press on the clock and plus 9:45. And within 10 seconds of not touching, it would set up. At 9:48, the alarm will trigger. To dim down the light and shut off in increments of 3, we're on high, medium, low, off. With the lights in the off state, high, medium, low, off, and dimming down the cool Kelvin to low. AirPods are fully charged. They could be removed as well as the phone, as well as the watch, and folded up. As we hit 9:48, we have an electronic high beep, and to shut it off, simply hit the alarm clock. So if you're looking for a wireless charging station that you put your phone on, the magnetic cradle that locks into place and charges with a case, wireless AirPods and smartwatches for the back by opening up the back area to lay the watch on top and charge. I hope this is a product that you are looking for your smartphone, watch, and AirPod needs, your wireless charging station. Thank you for viewing.